This can be a Storytime Thursday vlog. I'm not sure about it yet because I don't know what I'm gonna talk about. जो भी आएगा, जो भी मैं बड़बड़ करती रहूँगी, आप सुनते रहो. तो अगर स्टोरी निकल गई तो Storytime Thursday, अगर स्टोरी नहीं निकली तो बस ऐਵੇਂ clean the house with. Okay. कुछ भी करके मैं निकल जाती हूँ. No. I take my deep cleaning very seriously. Maybe I have a hoarding issue. I don't know if it still has any product left. I'm just gonna still keep it. Hoarding issues. I don't know. I'm nervous. They're like, oh, cleaning is therapeutic for you. Have you seen the amount of mess I make? So you guys are my accountability.
Cuddles. He's happy and bad.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? I hope all of you guys are happy, healthy and staying hydrated. So as you can see, I am back in Mumbai after a whole month, which means कि ये घर एक महीने तक बंद था, untamed था, unattended था, तो बहुत साफ़ सफाई करनी पड़ने वाली है, ज़रूरत है. It needs deep cleaning, जो मैं करने वाली हूँ of course. क्योंकि यहाँ पे ना मम्मा है ना मासी है ना मेरी हाउस हेल्प है टू काइंड ऑफ हेल्प मी इन द डीप क्लीनिंग. आई थॉट why not you guys keep me company and let's do a chit chat video while I do it. Let's clean this house. Basic necessities and we are getting into it. वैसे फेक प्लांट्स के बारे में मैंने एक थियोरी पढ़ी है कि you should not keep them in the house. If you know what is the right thing to do, just let me know in the comments because I have a few of these all around the house because I just love the aesthetic that they add, but I'm not sure if you should keep them or not. Just let me know if you know. Tables all clean and empty. Let's clean whatever was there on the table so that we can put it back. तब तक ये dry हो जाएगा. क्या आप लोगों के साथ भी ऐसा होता है कि आपको ऐसा लगता है कि सब कुछ नेसेसरी है, लाइक ये अगर फेंक दूंगी तो ऐसा हो जाएगा, वो अगर फेंक दूंगी तो ऐसा हो जाएगा, तो यू एंड अप कीपिंग अ लॉट ऑफ नॉन सेंसिकल थिंग्स एंड फिर जब आप एकदम डीप क्लीनिंग करते हो तब आपको ऐसा लगता है हाँ फेंक देना चाहिए, अब तक तो मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया, तो आप फेंक देते हो एंड द नेक्स्ट फ्रिकन डे यू फाइंड यूज फॉर दैट थिंग दैट यू जस्ट थ्रू आउट yesterday. Like initially I used to think that maybe I have a hoarding issue, like I can't throw things away which are no more of any use to me, but turns out no, I was just a smart person and then I fell for this narrative that oh, you're not gonna need this, just throw it away, and the next freaking day I need it. Also I've actually decided to start and take up the 75 hard challenge. ये अभी भी इफ्स एंड बट्स में इसीलिए है क्योंकि इट्स अ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट चैलेंज और उसको मेंटेन करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है एंड देयर इज़ नो चीट्स अलाउड. लाइक जैसे डाइट में होता है ना कि 2 हफ्ते में एक बार तुम चीट कर सकते हो, वैसा कुछ भी अलाउड नहीं है. तो आई रियली I've thought about it. मैं करने वाली हूँ, मैं 100% करने वाली हूँ, but it's just taking a little bit time to start क्योंकि it's hard. It's in the name. It's 75 hard challenge and I really want to complete it. Plus there's one more reason behind it कि भाई बहुत शादियाँ है दिसंबर तक. दिसंबर से लेके I think Jan end तक इतनी शादियाँ हैं. I think I have to attend 10 weddings or 12 weddings from the time of November ending to Jan end, which is a whole wedding saga, 2 months of weddings. So I really want to look good and I want to get in shape and I want to look healthy, and considering the consistency that I bear in my life, I needed something that actually pushed me and challenged me. So yes, I am really going to start the 75 hard challenge, and I'm saying this in this video very well knowing that this is a home cleaning video and not the 75 hard challenge because I want some accountability. So you guys are my accountability. If I don't start or if I ever think that I'm going to cheat on my 75 hard challenge, make freaking memes out of it. This is my accountability of starting and completing the 75 hard challenge and posting about it every day on YouTube shorts or Instagram stories that hey, I did this, I did not fail the challenge today. So please help me. I want to really look hot and fit and confident and sexy in all of those weddings. And maybe out of all those weddings, I might find my groom. But no, not for the groom. I really want to do it for myself. So please push me. Getting back to what you guys signed up for in today's video, the cleaning shenanigans. I don't usually clean every day, or I will accept that I'm not a person who will keep things at its place. I don't. Usually if you barge in on me on a surprise, there's a high chance that my house might be a mess because I've not been consistent with my cleaning. But when I do get to cleaning, and it is very therapeutic for me, so if it is my cleaning day, I take it very seriously. I will clean everything. So this is therapy. This is unpaid therapy. I was genuinely missing my office days yesterday क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत typing करते थे, and my typing speed had really improved when I was working in a 9 to 5. Got back all the memories of, oh, I'm wearing my office t-shirt. I just realized I was working in Flex back in Austin, and this is a t-shirt that we got because we had manufactured 10 million parts, so the company had gifted us. Oh yes, this is all the documentation that I did to get the freaking gas line on my name. People who are good at documentation और जिन्हें बहुत easily उनसे सारे काम हो जाते हैं and सब, you know, they have all the paperwork clear. मतलब मेरे भी paperwork clear ही होते हैं, just that मुझे बिल्कुल मतलब जान पे आता है मुझे अगर कोई बोलते कि भाई 10 पेपर 4 पेपर तुमको साइन करवा के उसके 10 जेरोक्स लेके तुमको यू नो सबमिट करना है, just so that you can get a very basic thing done. Right here, this Coochie Fuji Boo. He snuggles. This is a gift given to me by one of my closest friends, Lubu. He snuggles. So he's my cuddle buddy, he's my snuggle buddy. This is his launch on YouTube vlogs. I'm done cleaning my cupboard. It was not interesting what I did, so I did not shoot that. But I have a very interesting thing that I'm going to do, and I'm going to share it with you. I love collecting magnets from all the places that I go to. So this is a magnet that I got from Boston. This is the Pacific Coast Highway. I am invested. I invest my energy and a lot of time into getting the magnet that I like, because of course they are collectibles for me. So, and a souvenir that I get from every place that I visit. So मैं सोच रही हूँ कि because this is ये metallic cupboard है, I'm going to hang all my magnets on this. I'll see if I like it and if it's actually feasible for me to operate around here with those magnets hanging around. So yeah, that's all my magnets assembled. Essentially, we are halfway through and we're doing good so far. I halted my cleaning just to have lunch, and I put on the Bridgerton. I started with the Bridgerton season 1, and now I have no drive to get up and finish my cleaning. I am going to, but I'm just so lazy. Be back in a few minutes. झाड़ू पोछा लगाना है. Done with झाड़ू. Now it's पोछा time. I just saw Bridgerton. As I said, एक episode देखा मैंने तो मुझे एकदम से आया, mopping the floors, are we? No lord, no duke is seeking me out. I'm the lady of this house. Yay, the cleaning is complete, and I'll just show you around real quick. And I am done. I am done for the day, hopefully. I feel really, really happy with what I did with the living space, and I feel so clean, and it really feels like a good and fresh start again. आप भी अगर ऐसे क्लीनिंग करते हो तो मुझे डेफिनेटली बताइएगा। एंड आपके पास अगर कुछ फन इंटरेस्टिंग हैक्स होंगे टू क्लीन क्विकर एंड गेट थिंग्स smarter ways to do things, please do let me know. Thank you for watching all my content. Thank you.